Hi there, it's Manal from miniscraftboutique. Thank you for watching my video today. Ever since I uploaded my vlog for the daily journey, I was getting many requests by a lot of people to show the planner which I was using in that video in detail and just give a glimpse of the inside. So today I thought, why not share the planner that I use with you all and just see how it can help you in gaining positivity in your life, in your attitude, in your relationships, and how to set boundaries and how to plan your week or month ahead. It just kind of shifts your perspective from negative to positive in every aspect of life. I really enjoy working with this planner. I really enjoy writing in this planner, and it has helped me gain positivity in a lot of aspects in my life. So let's just begin. This is the planner which I use, and I really like the color, which is the sunset one. They also had another color which is the sunrise one, and it's towards golden orangish tones. It begins with the owner of the planner, that to whom does this planner belong, and then there's a welcome note by the founder, you can say, and then there are some tips for positive thinking, and it starts with yourself. Now, starting with yourself means giving you a sense of self-confidence, giving you a sense of self-realization and reflection. What I really like about this planner is that this planner gives you room for reflecting after every week. Now it's up to you if you want to reflect each day or weekly, so it's all up to you. I sometimes prefer doing every day, but sometimes I reflect on myself weekly. So just taking you inside, there are some things which are obviously about yourself. So the first 9 to 10 categories are about yourself. So what makes you happy, then is what makes you unhappy, then your strengths and your weaknesses, and then comes your what are the small things that frustrate you, what habits and traits do you want to change, and what are you most grateful for, your time occupation, and what are your smallest and greatest achievements. Now what I liked about these achievements was that they do not have to be the bigger ones, only the smaller ones can be accountable as well. So what have you overcome, your fears, and what are your most valued life lessons. Then it accounts for your dreams, and where do you see yourself in 5 to 10 years, very important. And then what are your fears and what scares you. Now this says shift your perspective. Your 52-week journey of positive thinking, self-awareness, and gratitude begins here. Plan ahead and keep that mind away from overwhelming negative thoughts. Progress is the focus, not perfection. Let's do this. So this year is going to be great. I really love this coloring image. I haven't colored it yet because I planned it to color it at the end of the year when the year is finishing. Okay, so now begins the layout for your 52 weeks, and as you can see, I've just worked and worked and worked in it. So this is the layout for the planner, and this is how it is all done. Now one good thing about this planner is that it does not have dates, so you can put the dates yourself according to your choice. Even if you skip a week due to some reason, or if you start the planning late in any week of the year, you can just put on the date and do your task. So positive thoughts I will keep in mind, high priority for this week, personal goals for this week, work goals for this week, my happy to-do list, notes. Over here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, these are all the days of the week. And as you have seen over here, that I plan according to the days. When you turn next, then is the weekly reflection part. Over here there's a question, so how was your week, and it has given you 4. These 4 options are awesome, pretty good, could have been better, worst week ever. So whatever or however your week was, you just choose the option from here. There's a section for what I'm grateful for. I fill this section every day. So at the end of the week, I have 7 things that I'm grateful for. This week's highs, happy moments, and this week's lows, challenges, and struggles. When you compare both, it gives you a sense of self achievement, because if there were challenges, there were achievements as well. So, shifting perspective, what negative thoughts did I feel this week? Can I turn them into positive ones? So, this is the part where all the reflection lies, all the realization lies, and all the shifting of perspective lies, that how can you change the negative events that happened in this week in your life can be converted into positive ones. And this page over here has been left blank. You can just journal over here, you can draw, you can write, whatever you want to do. You can even paste the stickers that reflect your feelings, or you can just make a list for the task for the next week, and then just hop on to the next week. And this continues for all of the 52 weeks of the year. And at the end, then there's a year review. And over here for the year review section, describe the past year in 3 words. What was your most common state of mind? That is happy, tired, stressed, etc. What were your happiest moments? What new skills did you learn? What personal qualities or habits did you develop or strengthen? How have you changed in the past year? What did you do that got you out of your comfort zone? Did any negative events happen? How did you overcome them? What and who are you most thankful for? So these are all your achievements and your struggles. After this section, there are many pages which are just ruled, and there's notes written over here. These can be used for any purpose. You can write your dreams for the year, you can write your resolutions for the year, or you can just use them for anything that you want. These planners come with stickers as well. These 2 sheets of stickers were from the last year's planner, and I had kept them safe, and I'm using them these days as well. These 2 sheets are with this year's planner, with this one, and they really just pop out or give a fresh look to your planner, and you enjoy working with them. Other than that, I've kept my important things, the utilities that I need to pay, some lists of things that I need to buy, other important tasks that I just jot down whenever I get the ideas. And also I have some plannings that are in process. There's a picture of my parents in there. And so this was all about the planner. What I like most about it is that it is binded with spine binding. Last year's planner was ring binded, and I really had problems when flipping the pages. So this was all about the planner. I hope that you have seen what is inside and you have really liked the video. I will share all my social media links in the description box below. You can contact me anytime for any query or any questions. So see you soon. Take care. Bye.